Here is how you can transfer money in and out of Brazil. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Mills and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be talking about how you can make international money transfers in and out of Brazil. So in Brazil, they use the Brazilian reals. When we talk about receiving and sending money from Brazil, you can send small amounts or receive small amounts. But when you want to receive or send large amounts above $10,000, you need to provide extra documents like the source of the income, where the money is coming from. You need to provide things like tax return, an ID card, like a government ID card, tax return declarations, and all of that. You need to know that the exchange rate varies week by week. So you need to always check on the exchange rate before you do your transaction. I want to talk about the different ways or different methods that you can send or receive money into Brazil. You can do that using international wire transfers like the bank to bank transfer. You own a bank account in Brazil and somebody has a bank account in another country and the person sends you money directly into your bank account. For you to do that, you need to provide things like your full names, the name of the bank, a SWIFT code, an IBAN, your CPF number. All of this depends on where the money is coming from. If the money is in another currency other than the reals, the exchange rate will depend on the bank, as well as the fees of the transaction will also depend on the bank. This is a good way and a safe way of sending and receiving money, but at times their exchange rate is higher and it takes some time for the money to get in. Most of the time, 2 to 5 business days depending on the bank. So now there are many other online transfers that you can use to send and receive money in Brazil. I'm just going to talk about the online transfers apps briefly. And I'm going to start with the one which has the cheapest exchange rate. If you reside in Brazil, you can actually open these online apps and do transactions, as in sending and receiving money from abroad. Number one app is Wise. Wise is a very good money transfer app that you can use to send money from Brazil and receive money in Brazil. It operates within 170 country plus. It has one of the best exchange rates and the exchange fees are also very low. You have Wise in Brazil. Not only can you make online transfers, it actually has a physical card that you can use. Recently, it has a Brazilian account. Number 2 is PayPal. If you're in Brazil, you can open a registered PayPal account and the local currency of the PayPal account is going to be in reals. You can attach verified bank accounts to your PayPal account and you receive money in not only reals but other currencies, and the exchange rate is not that bad. The next way you can receive and send money is using Remessa. Remessa app is also a good money online transfer app that almost all the bank accounts in Brazil are connected to this app, and you can use this app to receive money and send money in reals or other currencies like euros and dollars. It also has a physical card in Brazil. The next way is using PaySend. PaySend is also an online money transfer app. It operates in approximately 170 countries, including Brazil. The next one is Payoneer. Payoneer is also an online transfer app that you can use to send and receive money to approximately 200 countries, including Brazil. Another app that you can use is Remitly. Remitly is also another app that you can use to send money to many countries across the world, including Brazil. You can send money using Pix or directly into the Brazilian bank account. And there are two ways. You have the economy way and express. So the economy and express just depends on the time that the money is going to get into the account. Another way you can send and receive money is using cryptocurrency transfer. This is also a very cheap way of sending money and receiving money in Brazil. And two of them operate in Brazil. You have the Binance and Coinbase. It is very legal in Brazil to send money using cryptocurrency transfers. You can always use the USDT and receive in dollars. The fees are usually very, very small. Sendwave is also an online transfer app that is available in Brazil. So you can send and receive money from that app too. Another app, Revolut. This is mostly for UK users. So if you live in UK or you live in Europe and you have the Revolut account, you can use that to also send money to Brazil. Another way you can also send money for USA users is using the World Remit. You can use to send money from Brazil and receive money from Brazil. All these apps, you can use them from Brazil to send money and receive money. All you just need to do is download the app, register, and while you're doing that, you should have a valid resident permit or ID card. Maybe some of them will require you to transfer money from your bank account to the app and so on. You just need to follow the steps on how to open up the account. If it has an ATM, you can also order for one and you navigate with them. The most common ways in Brazil that you can send and receive money is using Western Union or MoneyGram. Using this method, the person who is sending the money is supposed to have some information about the person who wants to receive the money. They need information like your names, your address, your phone number, your CPF, and a reference code is going to be generated. Nowadays, it's more advanced that money can be sent directly to your bank account. So you should have those things. If you have any further questions, leave in the comment section. I find this video interesting. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, like, share, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so and hit the notification bell so that you get updated every time I upload a new video. In that same light, ciao.